Hello friends, so I just came to realize this new way of making money using Google search, and this is very interesting because you just go on Google and search something that I'm gonna tell you to search these keywords, and after searching these keywords, this is your new way for you to start making money maybe this year or next year. So if you're ready, let's dive in and see how you're going to do this and how much you'll be able to make using Google search. So right now, I want you to write these words down. Website feedback get paid. I want you to write these keywords, and you have to go to Google. Then you can just write here on this search box, website feedback get paid. All right, so after this result, I want you to do the following. You can go ahead and scroll down here, and you can click each website that you see right here, and we have 4 websites. So I will tell you each website and how much you're going to make just by clicking this website and see the task that inside this website. This is very interesting, and I really hope that you're going to start making money just by doing this. So this is the reason that most of these companies, they are ready to pay anyone who is ready to perform this very simple task. This usually happens especially when these companies they launch their marketing campaign. So the only thing that they do is that they find the different people who can be able to go ahead and test their website applications and the different product, and these people have to leave their honest opinion about a given website, like just by sharing the user experience, like how they feel using this website, how they feel using this application, and just by leaving the honest opinion about a given product, about the application, about the website. Just by leaving this opinion, I had this experience using this website. This website is going to pay different users just by sharing their experience, because they need to know what to improve to keep performing well. So the only way to know very well about their website and product is through these users who are going to share their experience, which is me and you. So these are the websites that are going to pay you just by leaving your opinion on different website and applications. So our very first website is called respondent.io. After joining on this website, you'll be receiving this email, and this website will connect you with different companies that want you to go ahead and test their product and all that. So all you want to do right now, you have to go to this website, which is called Respondent, and you have to click this place, become a tester, and after that you'll be in a position to start testing this and leaving your opinion about a given product, about a given website that you had experience with. And after that, you can be in a position to start making $150 up to $200 just by leaving your opinion on this platform. This is a very trusted website, and I say that because I've seen good reviews. A lot of people, they say that they did get money through this website, respondent.ai. And all you want to do is that you have to join, and you can get paid $20 per one task, and at the end of the month you can end up making up to $200 up to $300 just by leaving your comment, your reviews, and your opinion on this website. So the next website is called Enroll App. You really won't make such a huge amount on this platform, because the questions and the tasks that you will be finding on this platform, they're going to be very easy, so it won't take so much of your time to reply to these questions on this platform. But you can make $3 up to $4. But I've seen a lot of people, they say that they get paid $2 per one question that they're going to answer on this platform. And the questions are going to be very simple, and it's always going to take at least 5 minutes up to 10 minutes for you to answer different questions about different product, about different website experience and all that. So all you want to do right now, you have to go to join on this platform, and you can start receiving emails. They want you to go ahead and test this product. They want you to go ahead and test this website. After that, you can be in a position to get paid per one task that you're going to perform on this website. The next website is called Trymata, and all of these websites that I mentioned, you're going to get paid through PayPal. PayPal is like the best payment methods on this website. So this next website is called Trymata or Try My UI. This website also pay users $10 per one test. So let's say that you are heading on this website, they're going to pay you $10 per one task, and this is how it works. It's very interesting. So they will tell you like to go to Amazon and you have to pretend like you are going to buy these shoes on Amazon, but you just have to make sure that you have to screen record yourself and record the whole experience on you buying these shoes on Amazon. After that, you have to send this video to this application the way that you were trying to buy shoes on Amazon, and you can tell your experience, like was it really easy or it was really hard for you to buy shoes on Amazon and all that. Just by providing this feedback, you can get paid $10 up to $20. So the good thing about this platform is that the payments are always made on Friday. So every Friday you'll be receiving money just after providing this opinion and feedback about a given experience. So the last one that we have right now is very famous, is very known. This one is called UserTesting. I'm pretty sure that most of you know about this website. This is among most popular and trusted website. All you want to do right now, you have to go to this website and you can just click here, become a tester. This is how this website works. You'll be receiving different emails every time that they have tasks for you, and they will tell you that you have to go to this website and you can record yourself, like when you are using this application or when you are using this this website, you have to record yourself and explain how do you feel about a given website, how do you feel about given application. So you recording this experience while using this given website and providing this feedback to this company is going to pay you $4 per very short test, and other people are making up to $10, $15. And as I said before, you really don't have to expect like making decent amount of money, but at least if this money can help you to buy groceries and airtime and all that. So all of these can take at least 5 up to 20 minutes of your day. So this is like the best way for you to start making extra money on your free time. So this one is called UserTesting. I asked ChatGPT about all these websites, and ChatGPT said that these are the mostly trusted website that you can go on Google and search and find this website. As I told you that you have to search on Google on these keywords, which says that website feedback get paid. So this is the most trusted website, and I really want to say that if you want to make money, extra money, these websites can pay you at least good money. You can make at least $100 a month up to $200 a month. I just want to say that we don't have to expect decent amount of money. You don't have to expect like making $1,000 using this method. It's going to take some time. So thank you so much for watching my videos, and I really hope that I will see you next time. Thank you and have a good day.